Good morning, this is Dee with Travel with Rick and D, and this is an impromptu video. So I'm still healing from my back surgery, and we were going to go for a walk, and it's really windy here, and even though the sun is shining, it's cold, and I'm cold all the time. So I was looking for a particular sweatshirt that's thicker to wear outside, and I couldn't find it, and I can't really bend. So we started taking clothes out of my closet or my cupboard, whatever. So this is all the stuff that came out of the cupboard to try and find the sweatshirt that I'm wearing. And hold on one second. Okay, sorry. So that's what came out of the cupboard, and I'll just show you. So this is the cupboard, and I keep all my sweatshirts in there, and because I can't do that bending and the lifting and the twisting kind of a deal, I can only get what's up on top, and then Rick has to come and get it for me. So of course the sweatshirt I'm wearing was right there. Always the last one, right? So Rick had to do it, put all the stuff on the bed. Now I have to refold it, and then Rick will put it down in the bottom. And I can fold it all, and I have it sorted by sweatshirts and hoodies and no hoods. But it doesn't only stop there. I might as well show you this. So then I have this cupboard, so there's more long sleeves and sweaters, and then my t-shirts, and then more t-shirts, but just say slogans. And then up there are my tank tops. So now that I'm working on that unexpected project, I might as well fold these because I can get to those. All I've been doing healing is just shoving it in when we do laundry. But again, that's it. It's an impromptu video. And then I guess when I'm done with mine, I'll pop over to my husband's and let me show you his. So again, I had it color coordinated. Long sleeve, short sleeves, tank tops, that kind of jazz. Sweatshirts. Needless to say, that's not working out too good either because I'm not able to maintain it. But now that I'm getting a little bit stronger, I can fix this up. So let me work on this project, and I'll get you back and show you the final project. Alright, thank you. See you soon. Okay, so I thought maybe I should show you really quick how I'm folding my clothes. So it's my crew sweatshirt, and I fold the arms in, and I fold a little bit up on the bottom, fold it all the way to the top. That's how all my stuff gets folded. So for work, I did packing videos showing people how to pack their clothes and roll it up, and I always got, well, we're not your size, and I say, oh, okay. So this one is my husband's sweatshirt from his closet because I have to do his too, right? So it's the same thing. Hold, I don't know if you can see it or not. Hold it on the shoulders, fold it in, lay it down, little bit up, all the way up. And his, I don't come undone, but is the same as his. Whoops. Anyways, thought I would just show you quick. Again, you'll see the end result when I'm done. Okay, so baby steps, right? So we did this bottom part. That's the part I needed Rick's help with to put him back in. So on the left are my zip hoodies without no hoods, if that makes sense. I usually hate hoodies, and I have the hoods cut off and seamed up at a seamstress, but anyways, the left side is with no hood with a zipper. The center is crew sweatshirts, and on the right side are zip up with a hood, so zip sweat jackets. So I don't know how I made it fit last time, but I don't know. It's been over a year, right? So I don't know how long it's been since my clothes have been in there, but I always keep my sweats in there all year round because I'm always cold. But that center pile with my crew sweatshirts, I actually had to refold. Rick couldn't get them in there, so it went from collar to collar. I guess I should have showed you how I folded it, but from collar to collar to make it narrower to fit in the middle. So that's what I needed Rick's help with. Again, when I go through my cupboard, I can reach all these without his help. So this is my next tackle, and then I'll be back. Okay, so I'm done with my side of the closet. So on the top are all my tank tops and event shirts. In the that middle one there, that's all Harley Davidson t-shirts, and then a little pile of Motor Company t-shirts. Then I have workout clothes, t-shirts that aren't Harley, some lightweight sweaters, and then I have on the left zip up sweaters or like jogging jacket types, and the right bottom pile are all my long sleeve and short sleeves that are plain, no graphics on them. So that's it. Didn't take me very long to do, just something I was prolonging while I was healing, but now that I'm feeling better, I was able to stand and fold it on the bed. So that's it. I'm going to take a short break because I am a little worn out from that, actually. And then I'll tackle Rick's side. Alright, that's it. I'll be back. Alright, so I'm back. So all these piles on the bed is my husband's shirts, which came from his closet. And on the bottom I have his jogging suits and then his sweatshirts, but then I thought, well, maybe I'd show you how I did it. I left out the folding, but I have my piles by color and then also by what they are. So like this pile here, that's all the moisture wicking tank tops, t-shirts, and long sleeve shirts. That's his long sleeve shirts, undershirts for work, and then by colors, these two are just the lonely little tank tops that aren't moisture wicking. But again, I have 1, 2, 3 shelves to put all those clothes on, which will work because I took them out of there. So I'll show you how it looks in a minute. Alright, here we go. So I put everything in the closet by colors or by like the type of moisture wicking, or the long sleeves and his work shirts and the sweatshirts and the jogging suits. So now his closet's done and my closet's done, and now the day is done. Finished another project, one we were gonna do, not at this time, but like I said this morning when I did my sweatshirts, that's what started the ball rolling. So anyways, we hope that you guys have a great day. Thank you for joining us. Be sure to subscribe. Tune in to Travel with Rick and D. Until next time, I'll see you on the road. Thank you for watching our videos. We hope you enjoy them. We upload new videos every week.
So don't forget to hit the like button and make sure you subscribe to our channel, Travel with Rick and D. Until next time, See you on the road.